Legal Trust and Estate Attorney Christina Hess here. And it's June already. I cannot believe that today is the last day of school for one of my children. Summer is just around the corner. It is so hard to believe, but Friday, 2 days from today, we are having our open house here at the office. Hopefully you got an invitation in the mail if you're a client. And for those of you who are on our email newsletter list, we invited you as well, and some of our neighbors here in the building. We hope that you can come on out. It's from 5 to 7 here at the office. We're going to have appetizers and drinks. Unfortunately, the painting party is full. We only had limited space for people who wanted to paint a masterpiece. It's going to be so much fun, but we hope you come on out. We can't wait to see you. Say hello. Toast the weekend. Summer is just around the corner. I would love to see you. So please come out. Come to the open house Friday. It's here at the office, 5 to 7 p.m., and we can't wait to see you. All right, well, we just had last night, or yesterday afternoon, our Ruth Chris 10 Biggest Estate Planning Mistakes seminar. And if you missed it, we will be hosting one more event. One more this summer in July. So probably it's going to be the third week of July. Stay tuned. We will publish the date. It fills up fast. We like to keep it small so that I can answer everyone's questions. It's a great educational event, and then we have appetizers and drinks following the program. So it's a great way to get all of your estate planning questions answered and learn about the 10 biggest estate planning mistakes. All right, well, the article this month that's going to be in the newsletter is going to be about IRA Legacy Trusts. So IRA Legacy Trusts are a great planning tool for people who have significant assets in their IRA. So most people, unless they're a business owner, a lot of people build wealth in their home. So after they've been working for 30 or 40 years, the home is paid for, and then also in their retirement accounts. And then what happens is if you don't spend all of your retirement account and you pass it down to your children, they can have huge tax consequences in the IRA. There can be up to 70% of the IRA. And when I say IRA, I'm referring to 401ks and other retirement vehicles. Up to 70% of that can be taxed because there's capital gains tax, federal and state income tax, and then depending upon where your estate falls, it could be subject to estate taxes. So that's a huge piece of it. And to avoid the huge implication of tax right away, the beneficiaries can do what's called a stretch. So you can take the beneficiary's life expectancy and then they can stretch the required minimum distributions over the course of their lifetime. So that minimizes the tax impact, but it also allows the eighth wonder of the world to go into effect. So compound interest can then go into effect, and so then $250,000, $500,000 can easily become over $1 million, and this asset can create a wonderful financial legacy for generations to come. So what happens is when people just leave their retirement accounts to their children, the children might blow the stretch. If you don't stretch it over your life expectancy, then you're in the 5-year rule and the asset has to be liquidated within 5 years. So an IRA trust mandates the stretch so that the beneficiaries have to stretch it, and you can have sub-trust for different beneficiaries so that each of their life expectancies could be the measuring life, not the oldest. And in addition to that, you can have asset protection for this IRA, because in 2014 the United States Supreme Court in the Ramaker decision ruled that once an IRA or an retirement account, whether it's qualified or non-qualified, once it becomes inherited, it's no longer protected from creditors. So your retirement account has a degree of protection from creditors, but once you pass it and it becomes inherited, that protection is gone. The Supreme Court has ruled. So if you put your IRAs, 401ks into an IRA legacy trust, and the trust is the beneficiary, then your beneficiaries will have creditor protection. So it's a great tool. I highly recommend it for people. Could be a fantastic investment and way to build a financial legacy. So I hope that that's informative to you, and if you are interested in talking to me about an IRA Legacy Trust or estate planning in general, give us a call. I'd love to hear from you. San Diego Trust and Estate Attorney. Happy almost summer. I hope to see you at our open house. Have a great day.